Imagine encountering a creature as long as a Boeing 737 airplane. Welcome to the world of the fin whale. Often referred to as the greyhound of the sea, the fin whale is an awe-inspiring leviathan, second only to the blue whale in size among all Earth's living creatures. Picture this. At an astonishing length of up to 85 feet, the fin whale rivals the size of a professional basketball court. These marine giants glide through the ocean with a streamlined body, an impressive sight that belies their massive scale. To put it into perspective, their heart alone is the size of a small car, and their major arteries are wide enough for a human to swim through. Despite their colossal dimensions, fin whales are remarkably graceful swimmers, capable of bursts of speed that defy their size. Now that you can visualize the sheer size of these marine giants, let's dive deeper into their fascinating world. Not only are fin whales massive, but they are also among the fastest giants in the ocean. Imagine a creature as long as a basketball court, gliding through the water at speeds that rival the fastest human sprinters. That's the fin whale for you, capable of reaching speeds up to 23 miles per hour. This agility is particularly astonishing given their enormous size. Why such speed in such a massive animal? It's all about survival. Speed allows fin whales to escape from potential predators, including killer whales, and to cover vast areas of the ocean in their quest for food. This rapid swimming capability is essential during migration, helping them to efficiently travel thousands of miles between feeding and breeding grounds. Moreover, their swift movements stir up water columns, mixing nutrients and supporting the ocean's ecological balance. This not only benefits the fin whales, but also a myriad of other marine life that depends on these nutrients for survival. So, size does not compromise speed in the case of the fin whale, making them exceptional navigators of the vast oceans. Fin whales communicate in a way that could rival the most complex symphonies. Deep beneath the waves, these marine giants use a series of low-frequency sounds, not merely for the sake of melody, but as a critical tool for survival. Their vocalizations, which can travel for dozens of miles underwater, are essential for everything from locating each other across the vast open ocean to coordinating social behaviors and navigating through the deep blue. Imagine the ocean's depths, where light barely reaches and sound becomes the primary sense. Here, fin whales produce a variety of vocalizations, from pulses and moans to the more complex sequences that can last for hours. These sounds form a sonic network, connecting individuals separated by vast distances, allowing them to communicate, find mates, and even share information about feeding areas. This acoustic signaling is not just about communication. It's about creating a community, a way to survive and thrive in the expansive ocean. Their underwater calls not only serve practical purposes but also add a layer of mystery to their oceanic existence. What does a giant like the fin whale eat to maintain its enormous size? It might surprise many to learn that these leviathans of the deep rely primarily on some of the ocean's smallest inhabitants. Fin whales feast on krill, tiny shrimp-like creatures that swarm in colossal numbers in cold oceanic waters. These whales are equipped with a fascinating anatomical feature known as baleen plates. These plates line their massive jaws and act like a sieve. As a fin whale swims with its mouth open, water rushes in, teeming with krill. When the whale closes its mouth, the water is expelled and the krill are trapped by the baleen, ready to be swallowed. Moreover, fin whales employ a unique feeding strategy that includes a dynamic lunging method. They accelerate and open their mouths at an angle, engulfing vast quantities of water and krill. This method allows them to gather thousands of krill in a single gulp, making each feeding session both efficient and fruitful. Despite their intimidating size, fin whales have a diet that consists mainly of tiny oceanic creatures. Fin whales are not just confined to one part of the ocean, they are true global navigators. These leviathans of the sea embark on epic journeys that span thousands of miles, from the icy waters of the Arctic and Antarctic to the warm embrace of tropical seas. This remarkable migration is driven by an instinctual quest for nourishment and the urge to breed. As winter approaches in the polar regions, fin whales set off towards the equator. Their journey is not just a leisurely swim, it's a strategic move to access abundant food sources and optimal breeding grounds. In warmer waters, these giants find not only comfort but a safer environment for their calves, away from the harsh polar climates. Yet, as the seasons change, so does the call of the wild. The whales return to the poles, drawn by the resurgence of krill and small fish, their primary diet, which bloom in these nutrient-rich waters. These extensive travels play a crucial role in the life cycle of fin whales, showcasing their adaptability to diverse marine environments. Despite their size and speed, fin whales face several significant threats. Once hunted nearly to extinction, commercial whaling has left an indelible mark on fin whale populations. Even though commercial whaling has largely ceased, the echoes of this practice still ripple through their numbers today. Adding to their plight, fin whales often find themselves in busy shipping lanes, leading to fatal collisions with vessels. These gentle giants, traversing the oceans in search of food, become unintended victims of our global trade routes. Each collision not only ends a life, but also impacts the genetic diversity and recovery of the species. Furthermore, climate change is altering the oceanic landscape. Changes in sea temperature affect the distribution of krill and small fish, which are staples of the fin whale diet. As their food sources become more unpredictable, so too does the survival of fin whales. The shifting climate may also affect their breeding patterns and migration routes, adding another layer of uncertainty to their future. The survival of these magnificent creatures is still hanging in the balance, influenced heavily by human activities. How are we helping to ensure the future of fin whales? Around the globe, dedicated conservationists and international bodies are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent creatures. The International Whaling Commission, for instance, has been pivotal in imposing a commercial whaling moratorium, which has significantly reduced threats to fin whales from hunting. Moreover, several marine protected areas have been established, where fin whales can migrate, feed, and breed without the threat of human interference. These sanctuaries not only shield the whales but also allow researchers to study their behaviors and health in a natural environment, providing invaluable data that can inform further conservation strategies. Research plays a crucial role as well. By tracking fin whale movements and understanding their complex communication patterns, scientists can better advocate for routes and areas that need protection from shipping lanes and fishing activities. Through these global efforts, from legal action to local initiatives and scientific research, the pathway to recovery is laid out for the fin whale. Through concerted global efforts, there is hope for the fin whale to thrive once again in our oceans. You might wonder, why does preserving fin whales matter to us? Well, fin whales play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. As one of the largest creatures in the ocean, they contribute significantly to the nutrient cycle, which is vital for ocean health. When fin whales dive deep and resurface, they mix nutrients from different water layers, effectively fertilizing the ocean. This process enhances the growth of phytoplankton, the base of the marine food chain. Phytoplankton not only supports diverse marine life, but also absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to regulate our planet's climate. Thus, the health of fin whales is directly linked to the health of the ocean and, by extension, the entire planet. Moreover, their presence in the oceans helps ensure biodiversity. A rich variety of species makes marine ecosystems more resilient to changes and disturbances, such as climate change or pollution. Protecting fin whales isn't just about saving a species. It's about maintaining the health of our entire marine ecosystem. Today, we've uncovered some incredible facets of the fin whale's life. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned about these astonishing giants of the ocean. Starting with their sheer size, fin whales are among the largest creatures on Earth, second only to the blue whale. Their impressive speed, often referred to as the greyhounds of the sea, allows them to traverse vast oceans with grace and agility. Beneath the waves, these whales contribute to a symphony underwater, using complex vocalizations that play a crucial role in their communication and social interactions. Their mysterious diet consists largely of small shrimp-like creatures known as krill, which they consume in massive quantities. We've also journeyed alongside them across the globe, marveling at their extensive migratory patterns, and we've confronted the dire threats they face from human activities and environmental changes. The concerted conservation efforts we've discussed are vital, not just for the fin whales but for the broader marine ecosystem. As we continue to explore and understand these majestic creatures, we realize how intertwined their survival is with the health of our global environment.